In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Worldcoin to bank account. As you can see and hear from support page, World app itself doesn't process bank payouts directly. Instead, it uses third-party off-ramp providers like MoonPay, Ramp, Alfred Pay, or Mantika. These partners convert your WLD into local fiat and handle the payout to your bank account or card. The exact process and available providers vary based on your region, for example, Europe, Latin America. First, open the World app and go to your wallet section. Tap the WLD, then select Withdraw. Choose to Fiat account, and you'll be given a list of off-ramp services available in your country. Pick one, input the amount of WLD you wish to convert, and proceed. You'll be redirected to the provider's website or app to complete your details like bank, IBAN, country, contact info, and any required KYC verification. Once confirmed, the chosen provider will process the transaction. Fees are set by the provider, not by Worldcoin, and payouts usually arrive in 1-3 business days, depending on your location and the provider's processing times. If the World app doesn't list a fiat withdrawal option in your region anymore, or if you prefer an alternate route, many users turn to well-known exchanges like Binance, Kraken, or Bit2Me. In that case, you'll first send WLD from your World app to your account wallet on one of those platforms using the Optimism network. On Binance, for example, users typically swap WLD for USDT or USD and then withdraw via bank transfer or local payment methods. Once funds convert to a stablecoin or fiat like USD/UR, the exchange enables a standard bank withdrawal for your country, whether via SEPA, H, PayPal, or local system. Kraken and Bit2Me offer straightforward fiat withdrawal options once you've sold your WLD on the platform, with timelines typically ranging 5 business days. Keep these tips in mind. Start with a small test withdrawal to avoid loss. It's common practice due to different networks and addresses. Double check you're using the correct network. Worldcoin typically transfers via the Optimism blockchain, which some platforms do not support. Be cautious of recent app or platform updates. Some users have reported withdrawal options disappearing, especially in regions like Singapore. Yeah, thank you for watching this video.